This is a spreadsheet from Lotus 1.2.3, Release 2. It is older than Windows itself. Excel can usually open it, but you have to force it via the All Files menu. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open History. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single WK1 file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. The WK1 file extension is associated with Lotus 1.2.3, a now discontinued spreadsheet program that was highly popular in the 1980s and 1990s. WK1 files store spreadsheet data, including numbers, text, formulas, and formatting. These files are considered legacy formats, and while they can be opened by some modern spreadsheet applications, compatibility issues may arise. WK1 files use a proprietary binary format specific to Lotus 1.2.3. The format includes data structures for storing cell values, formulas, and formatting information. Due to its age, the WK1 format lacks some of the advanced features found in modern spreadsheet formats like .XLSX. Converting WK1 files to more modern formats is often necessary for broader compatibility. The WK1 file originated with and is formally handled by Microsoft Excel, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Only a dedicated file viewer can bypass the simple header errors in this format. Windows may preview the grid layout, but actual data work requires spreadsheet utilities. Open the context menu on the WK1 file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing Microsoft Excel. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If your WK1 file is not opening yet, that is normal. Let's get the technical grounding straight. Before we jump to the universal solution, let's look at the specific reasons this WK1 file is failing to load. First, use Lotus 1.2.3. Open the file using Lotus 1.2.3 or the free Lotus Smart Suite viewer. Next, use Excel Converter. Use Microsoft Excel and install the Lotus 1.2.3 conversion add-in to open the file. Finally, convert to XLSX ODS. Use an online converter to export the file to XLSX or ODS. When every program rejects your WK1 file, it is often a victim of naming overlap where multiple proprietary formats share the same extension. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Skip the hassle. The professional solution is File Magic. It's a universal opener for the WK1 format and more. Get it at filemagic.com. Make sure you've bookmarked this video, share this guide with a friend who needs the fix, and as always, please like and subscribe.